Before we get started, I'd like to go over a few housekeeping items so you know how to participate in today's event. At any time during this community meeting, you'll have the opportunity to submit your questions to today's presenters using this link, www.dallasisd.org/bond2015questions. As time allows, the presenters will address as many questions as they can during the Q&A session at the end of the presentation. We will be recording this meeting and will share it on our website and YouTube channel. Today we have the following attendees: Trustee Ben Mackey, Dr. Elena Hill, Principal Alyssa Peraza, Candace Jones, Kamar Huck, Irene Nagaglione.
The Sidney Lanier Expressive Arts Academy will receive a variety of renovations and improvements to include site renovations such as a brand new entry canopy with handicap access ramp that will enhance the look of the building and truly define a clear sense of entry. In addition, a new marquee sign, as shown here, electronic marquee, will be located near the front of the building. We will have a new concrete play area in the back, defined here in blue, as well as new paving for the parking areas, as well as landscapes along the side and front of the campus. Other exterior improvements include power washing and cleaning the entire building exterior for improved appearance, new landscaping, as shown here in the green, along the front of the building, new replacement of all exterior windows with energy efficient tinted windows. And then all waterproofing sealants will be removed and replaced to improve the weather tightness of the building. Interior renovations include the provision of a brand new secure entry vestibule that will allow the campus to screen visitors prior to entry to the school. In addition, we will have renovations, as shown here, to the main office to create a welcoming reception for staff and students. Classroom areas will be renovated with some casework replacement and ceiling replacement where needed. In addition, all lighting will be replaced with new energy efficient LED lighting, including lighting controls to help save energy. The lighting at the stage will also be replaced. Air conditioning wise, several rooftop units will be replaced with new energy efficient units. All ductwork and piping associated with these units will also be removed and replaced. The stage will get a brand new curtain. And lastly, we will patch and repaint through several areas throughout the campus. We will begin construction this summer, probably in the next 2 weeks, and we will tackle the blue areas for completion by August of 2020. The areas shown in green will continue through the fall and the spring into spring break for completion at spring break of 2021. This is the first floor renovations. I want to point out again, renovations during the school year will be done after school and after the students are out, so that for improved safety. And the second floor will be all completed by spring break of 2021 as well. We had a question raised, will windows look similar to the current ones? They will have a similar look, but there'll be insulated windows, so they'll be a little bit more stout and energy efficient, so they won't look exactly the same, but they will have a similar look.
I just wanted to add, during this summer and fall construction, we are approached by this challenging situation with COVID-19. We are in full compliance with this requirement by the county, and we shall adhere to all the items required in our construction process. that includes the sanitizing stations, checking the temperature, and the other isolation and social distancing. Is it possible? And it's taking time. Again, highlighting the different phasing. Once the summer is over, it's done in phases, in small sections, not to disturb the education, and then keep on working in select areas, section by section, and then floor by floor. So that's the time frame, keeping the isolation between students and workers. That's what it's important, because the campus is very tight. The maneuvering is not that easy. So you just have to do it in smaller sections to accommodate all the work to be done. It's a heavy renovation of interior spaces. Thus, it takes time, and you got to get things done, get it inspected, and then move on. Get it done. So phasing is all part of this, and we have discussed with the campus. That's how we came up with this colored rendering, and we'll continue to improve this as we go, as we move further, and see how much we can accomplish this.
I had a new question raised. Will we be able to open the new windows? The temperatures in the room vary greatly. Opening the windows helps with individual temperature control, especially in movement-based classes. The new windows will not be operable, as they create issues with energy efficiency. However, please do note, air conditioning units are being replaced. So the issues, and along with the air conditioning units comes a new temperature control system that will also be able to monitor and keep temperatures better in the building. So I think you will see a significant improvement between the combination of the energy efficient windows and the energy efficient air conditioning systems. The question came, what will windows look like? I'm going to go back to the images here. So this is the main entry to Lanier, and you can see the windows are going to be similar to see this picture and see this picture. So they're going to be very similar in look. They will just be very highly energy efficient. Want to make sure I talk about the library. The library in the building will receive some of the same renovations as the classroom area. So new air conditioning units, new lighting controls, windows, and then any painting, patching, new ceilings as the rest of the campus will receive. So the library will be in par with the rest of the classrooms and areas in the building.
I'd like to thank every one of our community members for joining us for one moment.
I think we have Mr. Mackey that's going to say something one more time or for a moment.
No, I just want to say thank you all for being here, for asking all the questions. Again, we are going to go and take all the questions that were submitted and get answers on them written so you all can have them to reference and talk about. Again, if there are other questions or other thoughts, or if it's something regarding the Bond 2020 or something like that, please feel free to reach out to me. Again, my contact email is Ben, B-E-N, Mackey, M-A-C-K-E-Y, @dallasisd.org. And Ms. Peraza and a lot of other people have it. We'll make sure to get it out to you. And again, thank you for being here, and let's keep this conversation open as we go forward, and looking forward to see the new Sidney Lanier in the near future.
Thank you, Trustee Mackey. I just want to say to you, thank you for always supporting our school and just being right here with us. So we appreciate everything that you're doing with us. Thank you.
All right, and be mindful that you can find updates about this project at www.dallasisd.org/bond2015.
Again, thank you everybody for participating today. We really appreciate your questions, and have a good rest of your day. Thank you.